Restoring history with a vapor honing cabinet is one of the most rewarding things in the world. You may not have thought that you would be able to blast plastic parts in your vapor honing cabinet, but that is certainly not the case. Traditional sandblasting would absolutely destroy delicate parts like rubbers and plastics. However, in a vapor honing system, you can vapor blast plastic without fear of damaging the parts because the process is done with the flow of the water rather than a hard impact like a traditional sandblasting system. And the water will cushion the media to only treat and clean surfaces. In addition, our vapor honing systems have a slurry pump that agitates the water in the cabinet to mix the abrasive in the water. This will prime your mixture into the blasting gun. You can use an average of 60 psi, starting off at about 5 inches from the part, and adjust as needed. This is one of the revolutionary advantages of our systems versus traditional systems, and opens up into a whole different industry to start blasting parts in. For more information, please give me a call at 828-202-5563, extension 102, or you can follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.